Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Tutor, and what I do is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. You are watching my video for the first time. Thank you and subscribe to this channel. And this is a very good channel where you can learn how to solve any technical drawing problems. And I want to ask you to inform your friends, let them know about this channel, and also ask them to subscribe as you have subscribed. And then you need to practice this subject. This is a practical subject. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Okay, I want to solve this problem, which is for West African Examination Council exam, which they did here in Nigeria, and that's to do with freehand sketching. These views are given in third angle projection. This is the plan, this is the front elevation, and this is the end elevation. And as we have it, that we have to make a freehand sketch of the pictorial view of the object, making M the lowest point. The question carries 20 marks, as you can see it here. So let's see how we can sketch this particular object, as you can see here. So what you need to do first, so looking at this, so what you need to do first is to draw a line in this direction. So sketch a line in this direction like this, as you can see it here. Then we make a short vertical line here like this. Okay, so I'm using my pen, so I'm going to make a line in this direction, and so from this point I will make a vertical line like this, and coming here also I will make a vertical line like this, and then I'm going to connect this together. So you need to make sure the lines are parallel to each other. That's what I'm trying to do. So I will connect this together. So you make sure the lines are parallel to each other. That's how you can get the pictorial view drawn. So also I will draw a line in this direction. From this point I will draw a line in this direction, and here I'm going to close this like this. Okay, so you can see it here. All right, so now, so if you look at what I've done here, the views that I've drawn, so I've drawn from the front elevation, which is this, I've drawn this rectangle as we have here, and I was also drawn this rectangle as we have here. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is this. From this point I'm going to draw a line in this direction. Okay, so I will draw a line in this direction like this. Okay, so I'm going to stop this one here, then I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So you have to ensure that the lines are parallel to each other. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, then so the next thing I'm going to do is to join this together at this point. I'll join these ends together like this. Okay, so you can see what I've done here. So looking at this shape on this surface here, this is what we have in the plan. So this shape here is what we have here in the plan. So next thing I'm going to do is to draw a vertical line at this point here. I'll draw a vertical line at this point, and also I will come here, so draw a vertical line at this point. Okay, all right, so then with this line that I've drawn, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction like this, and also here I will draw a line in this direction, so almost of the same length with the one that we have here. So I'm going to leave the middle space. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, or for the don't let me leave the middle space, I can just do what I want to do here, is that I want to create a curve like this at this point. Okay, all right, so now with what I've done here, so I'm going to, if you look at what we have here already, we already have the front view. So the front view, so we have this rectangle, which are these two rectangles, and then look at this shape that we have here. So it's already here in the front view. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to come here and draw a line in this direction. Okay, like this. Okay, so I also come to this point, so draw a line in this direction. So I will join this together like this. Okay, so I will also come to this point, so draw a line in this direction like this. So here I will also draw a line in this direction like this. So I will join this together like this. Okay, so now, so I'm going to create a curve like this at this end here. So this is how this will look. So as you can see, so the next thing I'm going to do, which is the final stage, so I just draw a vertical line down here just to meet this line here. Okay, so I have this. So this is how it will look. Alright, so this is how the object will look. So this is what we have as based on what we are given here. So let us look at the part that we have here. So in the plan, we have these three rectangles. As we have here, this is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the curve here, it will give us a rectangle in the plan. And this shape that we have here, we have it here on this surface. And coming to the front view, as I've said before, in the front view, we have this rectangle, this is the rectangle, we have this rectangle, we have it here, and then we have this shape on the front view. So that's what we have here on this part. Then this is the end elevation. For the end elevation, we have this rectangle, this is it, and then we have what we have the whole of this shape in the end view. So this is it. And then so this short dashes line that we have here, so it is for this curve that we have here, so it will be hidden from us when we are looking at this surface here. So that is all that we have for this freehand sketching. All you need to do is to practice, as I've said. So practice it, and the lowest point is what is where we have the lowest point here. So this is the lowest point M. We have to indicate it. Okay, so that's what we have there. So it's as simple as I've done it. All you need to do is to practice, as I said, and you become a master at it. Thank you, and keep on practicing.